Hi everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia, and this is my little channel here on YouTube where I share all my crafty bits and pieces and things that I've been up to. But this video is going to be a little bit different. I've decided to do a 7 days of spring soiree. So what that is every day I will be choosing at random a different project to work on and hopefully have it finished. So I've got all of them chosen out and I've printed my little master list, and then I've got all my projects. So the plan is every day choose one project with you, and then at the end of the day come back and film it again, the progress that I made, and hopefully we will have some finished projects. So today is day 1. It is Monday the 10th of October, and yes, so the projects that I've chosen are the Prairie Schooler ornaments. There's 7 of those. One is completely finished, and then I have to finish the other 6. I've got the rainbow cushion, which is the project that I was making for the sewing demos at work. I've got the transparent embroidery kit that I bought from work. The little owl piece that I stitched by Doreen Jones. The Christmas quilt that I started using jelly roll strips. A diamond painting, which is the family one, and then my knitted socks, which I've probably done about 3/4 of one sock. So I will draw I've got my little bowl cozy, and I'm going to draw one of them and share it with you. So let's have a look. Today's project is the knitted socks. So that is what I will be working on today, and I will come back and film tonight, hopefully with a pair of finished socks. So that is today's. I will show you where I'm up to so you can see. So I'm doing them top down. So that's where I'm up to. I'm doing them on circulars. So that is the, so how many? 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 markers in there, and then hopefully by tonight, now this is very ambitious, tonight we will have a pair of socks finished. They shouldn't take too long, I've just got to focus. So that is day 1. So I will see you back here tonight. Bye. Okay, so it's much later on in the day, and I'm back to let you know how I got on. So I didn't get them finished, the socks finished, but I made some good progress, and I think what's going to happen with this sock in particular is it may be that one that lives in the laundry and adopts all the orphan socks, because it's just taking forever, and it shouldn't. So when I showed it this morning, I had done top down to the 3rd marker. So I've now finished all the straight knitting. I have done the heel flap, which is that part there, and the heel turn, which is that part there, and I am now up to doing the decrease. So that's how it's going to go, the decrease before the toe. So you know, only a couple more hours and it would be finished, but it's progress. So the pattern that I'm using is by Crazy Sock Lady, and she's on YouTube, but you can also buy the written patterns on Ravelry. So that's it there. The vanilla sock. So yes, day one fail. But anyway, let's draw tomorrow's project and see what we will be working on tomorrow. Okay, so I've got my little bowl cozy, got one out. Let's have a look. Tomorrow is the rainbow cushion. So there's the rainbow cushion, and let me show you where I'm up to. Right, where are we up to? So this is the rainbow cushion front. So I am still doing all the stitching. I'm up to this light minty greeny row. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of hand quilting to do, and then put it together in a cushion. So that's tomorrow's project. So make sure you come back tomorrow night and see how I get on, and we will draw the next day's project. So thank you for joining me for day one of our 7 days of spring soiree, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye.